Here's another video, another problem from section 1.3 in Larson. This is number 71. Its limit as h approaches 0 of 1 minus cosine h quantity squared over h. And I think the way to do this problem, and I'll try to give you a hint, and I won't do the whole problem right away for you, but I'll give you a hint, and then you can pause it and see if you can pause the video and see if you can figure out how to do it on your own. So I think the squared here you might break up into two, 1 minus cosine h times 1 minus cosine h, and then put the h with, maybe the first parentheses. So consider this separately from that 1 minus cosine h. And then you want to take the limit as h approaches 0 of that. So I won't tell you how to do that. I might pause it for a second, see if you can figure it out from that point. So if you need some more hints, you can look at this and say, well, this is the limit of these two separate things. You can find the limit, because the limit of this thing we did today, 1 minus cosine h over h as h goes to 0, the limit here is going to be 0. And then you just have to look at this limit, and see if that's, if you can figure out what that is. And this, as h goes to 0, this 1 minus cosine h goes to 1 as h goes to 0. So 1 minus 1, this also is going to go to 0. So you have 0 times 0, or the limit here is going to be